Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send over 1,500 personalized bulk emails every single day directly from your Google account. And right here, you can see on my screen, you can see I have quite a number of emails here. And you can see my mail status. It says send, send, send. So with this particular method I'm going to share with you, you can send up to 45,000 emails every single month. Now do the calculations. 1,500 emails per day multiplied by 30 days. That is over 45,000 emails being sent. And you can do this without even breaking the bank. So let's get into it. But right before I show you guys how to make this up, those mail match tool to start sending bulk emails. All right. Now I want to give a shout out to our sponsor for today's video, prboost.io. Alright guys, so huge shout out to prboost for sponsoring this video. If you've ever wanted to get the Asinon badge for your business, just like the big brands, prboost makes it happen. They get you featured on over 200 major news websites, helping you rank higher on Google, build instant trust, and attract more customers, all without breaking the bank. And with the business pro package, you will land on top tier site, giving your brand massive exposure. So if you're serious about boosting your credibility, check out prboost.io today. Alright, so let's jump back into the video. Alright guys, so to install this tool into your computer, it is very easy to do. Now follow me closely. Now you want to come over to pigeonmail.co. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description box below, and also the link is going to be displayed on the screen. So once you are right here on this page, you want to come down a little bit and you can see where it says download now. Now go ahead and click on download now. Now if you do click on download now, it's going to open up your Google Workspace account. You can see right now, and now what you need to do is to go ahead and click on install. You can click on continue. All right, now once you do click on continue, the next thing you have to do is to select the particular email address you'd like creating this account with. So I'm going to use this email address of mine. I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, let's see what happens next. All right, so you want to make sure you do click on allow. Click on allow. All right, and guys, you can see that we have the tool already installed. So once Pigeon Mail has been installed, okay, and you can see that you have successfully installed a Google Workspace add-on. Now it's very easy to use this tool. So you've been able to install it. Now how do you get to use it? Now it's very simple. You want to come over to a new CXV file. All right, and right here, if you're creating your CXV file, please, I want you to have a name section. All right, you can see a name section and also an email section. These are the two sections you need to use those two rightly, so that it can help you start sending personalized emails directly into your recipient's account. It's easy from here. What you want to do right now is you want to come over to this place right here. You can see where we have the Pigeon Mail Merge icon displaying. Now click on this icon, or should, in case you're not seeing it right here, all you have to do is just refresh your CXV file, and if you do that, of course the mail merge tool is going to appear. All right, now you can see we have a dashboard here that shows us various tasks that we can do right here from the mail merge tool. So from me, I'm going to be teaching you how to send your email campaign directly from the mail merge tool. So click on send your email campaign, and once you do click on it, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and choose your sender name. So this is unlike other mail merge tool that will not give you the option of choosing your sender name. So if you want to use a different sender name from the email address you're trying to from the email address you are using to send your bulk emails, you can do that right here. So for me, I'm going to use the one that says Charles Marketing. So this is just simple and a demo just to show you guys how it all works. Now you can see next section here is it says choose drafts to send. Now how do you create a drafts to send? So basically a drafts to send is what an email that you have written directly on your own personal Gmail account, and it is being saved up on the drafts file. So you can see I have this email written up already. Now if you look at this now, guys, there's no recipient here, so you don't have to add any recipient. Just write in the email body. All right, and make sure you don't send. It's going to automatically get saved on the drafts. You can see right here on the draft file. So if you have it on the draft file, it's going to get displayed right here on your mail merge tool. Okay, and you can go ahead and choose it. So you can see I have many drafts right here, but for me, this is the draft I want to send emails to, right? So I'm going to use this particular draft. And now the next section here says choose the email column. Of course, my email column is also my email column right here, right? So I'm going to choose this as email column. All right, and the interval between sending should be for 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So for me, I'm going to work with 5 seconds, okay? And now the unsubscribe link, which is optional. If you don't want to use an unsubscribe link, it's easy. You can just leave it the way it is, or if you want to, you can basically add an unsubscribe link. Now, what you want to do now is once you've been able to input all of this, so please make sure you follow me correctly, okay? Once you've been able to input all of this, now go ahead and click on send 19 emails. All right, now this would actually allow you send 19 emails now, but you have the access, all right, of sending up to 500 emails. Okay, so it's going to be going 19 at once, 19 at once, and consecutively like that. So for me, I'm going to test this out by clicking on send 19 emails. So let's see what happens. So you can see I've clicked on send 19 emails just to show you guys how it all works. All right. So you can see we have our subject body. You can see we have what is it called here? The preview of how our email is going to look like. You can see we have the subject line right here, guys, and you can see we have the message body. Now we go ahead and click on send. Okay, if you do click on send, now let's see what happens. You can see it says initializing. Now email sending 1/19. Now you can allow this row for a while, and by the time this is done, guys, we're going to come back and I'm going to show you guys what the result looks like. So you can see right here that on the mail made section, you can see it's saying sent. You can see sent here, and it's going to keep on sending our emails and sending until it is done. So let's just allow this keep sending, okay? And once this is done, I'm going to share some other information that you need to know about this particular mail match tool. All right, guys, so you can see that successfully all our emails, all right, has been sent. And now one thing about the MailMate tool is that it gives you, a status bar to show you that if the email has been sent, you're going to be seeing it right here if the email is also being opened by your recipient. That's one thing I like about the Pigeon MailMate tool, because as much as it helps you send emails, it also gives you a data of you receiving notifications that your email has been opened or it has not been opened. So if you found this MailMate tool very helpful, I would recommend you go with a paid plan, because on the paid plan, guys, you are only just paying the sum of $9 for a lifetime, and you have access to using those two for a lifetime without paying any money. So I recommend you go for a lifetime. Just like me, go for a lifetime and you'll be able to send up to 1,500 emails every single day. So you can see it's worth it, it's worth the time, it's worth the money, and it's also worth everything, right? So check out pigeonmail.co. All right, go for a paid plan so that you can enjoy those two to the fullest. So if you enjoyed this video, or if you found it so helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your response, and if this will be a tool you would like to try out, you can also let me know, and I'll still want to hear your response. So thank you so much for watching. You can see all our emails has been sent, and with time, we're going to be receiving mails that our emails has been opened, okay? Thank you. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this, and I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care of yourself, and bye.